Ever enter a trade too late because you couldn't tell if momentum was real or already fading? That's the exact problem the Ryan Jones SM indicator fixes. This tool smooths out price data into one clean momentum line, so you instantly see who's in control, buyers or sellers, without the messy noise on your chart. For a buy entry, watch for the momentum line to start sloping upward. Confirm it crosses above its signal level, moving from weak to strong. Then check that price is sitting above a key support zone or forming a bullish candle. Enter once that upward push looks steady, not flattening out. For a sell entry, it's the mirror image. Wait for the momentum line to slope downward and cross below its signal level. Price should be below resistance or printing a bearish candle. Enter once the downward move is smooth and consistent, with no major support sitting right below you. Here's the key tip. Never trade the momentum line alone. Always pair it with support and resistance for confirmation, and always set your stop loss before you enter. That's what turns a good signal into a controlled trade. Cleaner signals, clearer entries, more confident trades. Want this indicator for free? Head to Forex MT4indicators.com and grab your download now.